resolution? Oh, you're muted.
I'm sorry. The plea agreement says she will serve 9 months, 270 days in the county jail with credit for 124 and probation revoked. And her drug court status is revoked.
Okay. Ms. Layton, is that correct?
That's my understanding, Your Honor.
Ms. Boyd, raise your right hand, please. Solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. Were you able to hear what your probation agent and the prosecutor just stated for the record?
Yes.
Is that your understanding of the agreement in this matter?
Yes.
And based upon that, you're ending your plea here today. Is that correct?
Yes.
You're charged with one count of violation, specifically that you violated term 3.4, that on March 31st of 2021, you went AWOL from the KPEP facility. Therefore, you did not complete the program as required. This is a violation of your probation. Carries the same potential penalty as the underlying offense, which is up to 48 months in prison with an initial guideline score of 0 to 9 months. Do you understand the nature of that violation and the maximum potential penalty?
Yes.
You have the right to a hearing in this matter and the right to be represented by an attorney. If you could not afford a lawyer, one would be appointed at court expense. Do you understand those rights?
Yes.
And to this violation, then, how do you plead?
Guilty.
You understand by doing so, you give up your right to a hearing and your right to be represented by an attorney?
Yeah.
You also give up the rights as listed in the advice of rights form. Ms. Patterson, did you go over that with her?
I went over some of the things I could remember, and she just didn't want it. She just said she wanted to plead guilty.
All right. Do you have that form in front of you, ma'am, that's called probation violation advice of rights?
Yes.
Did you read through it?
Yes.
You understood each of the rights?
Yes.
And you're willing to waive those in any of your plea here today?
Yes.
I'm going to sign a copy of that for you to go in the court file. You can keep that copy for your own records. Has anybody threatened or coerced you or promised you anything beyond the agreement?
No.
This is your choice to enter this plea?
Yes.
So back on March 31st of 2021, just a week ago or so, did you go AWOL from the KPEP facility?
Yes.
And you knew that was a violation of the program and of your probation?
Yes.
All right. I do find there is a sufficient factual basis to accept your plea, find that it's knowingly, voluntarily, and accurately given. Is there anything you want to tell the court before sentencing here today?
No.
All right, Ms. Himes, or Ms. Layton, sorry.
We would simply ask the court to follow the agreement, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Boyd, what's next for you then after your jail sentence? What are you going to do?
Know. I have no idea.
You have a place to go?
Yeah.
All right, where are you going to go?
My mom's.
Okay. Is that a good place for you?
I got to take care of her. I don't know who's going to take care of her right now due to the heart attack, but yeah, after I get out, that's my main focus right now.
Okay. How old are you?
30.
You got kids?
Yeah, I got 4 kids. I got 4 girls, but 3 living. My ex-boyfriend murdered my 17-month-old daughter, so I have 3 living.
All right. Well, I wish you the best. I hope you're able to find a sober life and live without being in contact with the courts. So
yeah, I'm not about to get in trouble anymore. Fuck this shit.
Okay. All right. I'll go along with the agreement. You'll serve 270 days in jail with credit for 124 days already served. Probation as well as your drug court status are revoked. Do you understand your sentence?
Yes.
You may request leave to appeal this plea-based conviction and sentence. If you need an attorney to assist you with that appellate process, that request needs to be made in writing within 42 days of today's date. Do you understand those rights?
Yes.
They're going to give you a copy of a form called Notice of Right to Appellate Review. That's your copy. I'll sign a form here to go in the court file. If you want to appeal this conviction, fill it out completely. Get it back to me within 42 days of today's date, and we'll begin that process. If you don't want to appeal this conviction or sentence, you can just disregard that paperwork. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. Anything else, Ms. Patterson?
No, no, Your Honor.
Ms. Layton?